All right, let's go.
Yeah, go. You got it.
Hold up. Get the plate. Get the plate. Get the pan. Get the pan.
Get the pan.
I got to get the pan.
Oh, get the pan. Okay.
Hello language learners, in this video we're going to dive into the kitchen to learn some cooking related vocabulary while exploring one of the most famous and classic Spanish dishes. That's right, we'll be attempting, keyword attempting, the famous tortilla de patatas, otherwise known as the Spanish omelette. I'm actually taking a really fun class this semester all about cooking history and culture in Spain, and every few days the class dissects a new dish and studies a bit about its preparation and formation. Normally the class goes into the kitchen to cook together, but sadly it's online this year. But on the positive flip side, my roommates and I have a kitchen in the house we're staying at this semester, so I will be attempting all the dishes myself and seeing how I fare. Stick around to learn some vocab related to the kitchen, and either learn how to make an awesome tortilla de patatas, or learn what not to do when attempting the Spanish omelette. Así que, ya sabes, al lío. Okay, today we're gonna try to make the famous tortilla de patatas. This is probably the thing that I ate the most while I was in Spain, and it's one of my favorite dishes. Boom, onions. Boom, potatoes. And we're busting out the pepper. I will probably be committing some culinary sins today. Before we see what's about to transpire, let me give you some context and history on this dish and what I'm about to intend to do. First, some history. The tortilla de patatas, also known as the tortilla española, goes way back, like way back. The origin of the tortilla de patatas is not completely known, but there is some reference that this dish may have originated from Villanueva de la Serena in the expansive Extremadura in Spain in the 1700s. But there are some references dating even further back in the 1500s that refer to this dish. The tortilla de patatas is such an iconic dish that there's even a national championship surrounding it, the Campeonato Nacional de Tortilla de Patatas. And one of the inspirations I'll be using today is modeled after the style of the winner of the third national championship. Alright, now moving from history to preparation. This dish is quite special because it requires only a few ingredients: patatas, potatoes, huevos, eggs, aceite, oil, and sal, salt. And that's it. You can add other things, but these are the basic ingredients to start with. As for what I'll be doing today, I looked at a few different recipes, guessed from memory, thinking back to how my host family would do it in Spain, and I let my limited pantry help me decide. So here's my attempt at the tortilla de patatas. I'll link a recipe to Josefina's process. She's the third national championship winner. Some things I'll do today probably run directly counter to her, so definitely be sure to check out some other recipes for other styles and ways that you can make it. This attempt has 4 raciones. It serves 4 people, and the ingredientes are as follows: 3 patatas medianas, 3 medium potatoes, una cebolla, 1 onion, 12 huevos, 12 eggs, and la mitad de un pimiento verde, half of a green pepper. And here's how I will be preparing it. Paso 1: pelar y cortar las patatas a láminas finas, unos 2 milímetros, y lavarlas con agua para quitarles el almidón. Paso 2: cortar la cebolla y el pimiento. Paso 3: secar las patatas. Después, combinar las patatas, los pimientos y las cebollas en una sartén con aceite de oliva extra virgen y cocerlos a fuego lento unos 15 minutos. Paso 4: romper y batir los huevos en un bol. Y paso 5: sacar las patatas, los pimientos y las cebollas del fuego y combinarlos con los huevos. Paso 6: añadir aceite según sea necesario y después verter la mezcla en una sartén caliente. Cocinarlo a fuego medio para cuajar el primer lado. Paso 7: dar la vuelta a la tortilla y cocinar el otro lado para que se cuaje también. Finalmente, paso 8, servir y comer. Buen provecho. Alright, so this is what's supposed to happen. I don't promise that the execution you're about to see will deliver exactly on this process. Alright, on with the show, let's see what happened. Now I have so much more respect for everyone who's ever cooked this dish for me, dude. It's the flip, man! It's the flip!
Flip is tough.
How do they flip it?
How do they flip it? That's
the question that we all need to answer for ourselves. This side could be, you could show this off to somebody and say, I made something right here. Final product. It's an attempt. The taste test will reveal what really happened in this kitchen. Just my It's like a fry, right?
Yeah.
Oh good.
Hold up. Yeah, it's pretty good.
Alright, I'm turning this off. Alright, so this is me taking not the first bite because I've been eating this for a while, but I thought this was not gonna be edible. So I was gonna hide and eat it by myself and basically give myself food poisoning. Turns out it actually came out really well. And with a little mayo, this tastes fire. Presentation definitely is off. So B-. Alright, definitely like a C- presentation, maybe a D, but flavor A-, B+. What do you think, Josh?
It's a A- flavor, yeah.
You like the flavor though, right?
I do think the flavor is amazing.
Confirm. This is actually pretty good. First attempt, not bad. And what's stuffed here? This actually looks pretty good. Sweet. Alright, I'll call it. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned some new cooking phrases. We may have folded on the flip, but the flavor was definitely there. Feel free to give this a shot on your own, but definitely prepare for that flip. It's a crazy amount of fun for me to explore all things Spanish and language learning. So if you have any topic requests, always feel free to continue sending them and share your favorite languages, learning process, and strategies in the comments below so we can all learn as well. Subscribe for more tips, experiences, and language resources, and we'll see you next week. Sending good vibes and energy to you all, and hasta la próxima. Yeah, let me just grab this side. You know, some cropping, a little bit of like changing the lighting, put some contrast, change the exposure a little.
I just copy that corner and then to the other.
Oh my gosh. You do a little bit of like a little rotating.
Photoshop.
It's just squeeze this side. All right, you know what? I think we should give it a shot. Let me see if the potatoes are cooked though. No, this might be okay. It might be okay.